Good morning, my dear boys of class 11th. I was in chapter number 5 and I was completing introduction to asanas, pranayamas, meditation and yogic kriyas. In my previous video lecture, I completed asanas, pranayamas. Today, I will be completing one a small topic, that is meditation. Now, what is meditation? Meditation is the process of uninterrupted thinking. I repeat, meditation is the process of uninterrupted thinking. It is a process to focus on something continuously without being intervened, without being interrupted, without being interfered by something or somebody. Meditation is termed as dhyan in yoga, and it is the seventh element of yoga. Meditation is the practice of focusing one's mind on something continuously without being distracted. I know that you are having some idea of meditation. You know the meaning of meditation. Meditation helps us to attain the objective. Meditation helps us to attain the goal on which we are focusing. Without meditation, we cannot achieve any worldly or religious objective, any earthly objective or religious objective we cannot achieve. Meditation can also be defined as the concentration of mind and its inner power to enter into another world. Meditation is the uninterrupted thinking of one's thought. It is the focusing of mind on one object. Without meditation or concentration, we cannot achieve or we cannot perform well. We have to meditate. Maybe it is in games and sports, it may be in academics. We should have concentration power. Similarly, a footballer, when he is going to take a penalty kick, he has to concentrate, and it is a very tough task. So concentration is very much necessary in every sphere of life, right? Now, what are the advantages of meditation? Number one, it calms the mind. It makes the mind calm, cool, tranquil, serene. Number two, meditation develops the power of concentration. Clear? Meditation develops the power of concentration. Number three, it develops the mental power, psychological power, and it helps us to resist all the distractions of mind. Meditation helps us to attain self-knowledge, to know the self. Meditation helps us to know the self. It leads to mutual faith and understanding. Meditation helps us to meet mutual faith, trust, belief, dependence, and of course understanding. Meditation helps in restoring of one's well-being, physical, mental, spiritual, social, ethical, everything. So this is meditation. I will be giving in everything in notes. Just go through it. This is the very easiest language, and this is the easiest language, simple language. You can go through it and you can write it well. So today I have completed meditation. Listen my video lecture again and again and you will learn it. Today after this, thank you very much.